Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so as you can see, I got another Pinch Me box. This is the first one I think in over a month that I've gotten. Alright, so, for today's video, it's, well, obviously I already said that. Alrighty, so the first thing I am going to pull out is this little, like, I guess, single-serve bag of Harborough Harborough Gold Beers, which I absolutely like this brand. It's like, if I could get the gummy bears for free, why not? Alrighty, so this first flavor is pineapple. Okay, this next one is raspberry. Next one is lemon. Which looks like it's the only 3 flavors in the box. I mean, box. Bag. Alrighty, I had to get a shower before I started this video. Alrighty, so the next item I am pulling out is the Glad Force Flex Plus leak protection with double side seams. It has Clorox and eliminates food and bacterial odors with OdoGuard, Lip Guard protection, leak guard protection, grips the can, and a drawstring bag. Alrighty, so I have heard of this brand before. I trust this brand. With Pinch Me, I can get everything is free. I don't have to pay for shipping, which bonus for me. Oh, whoa, that has a strong lemon scent. Woo! Alrighty, so. Alrighty, let's see here. Put that over there, and since I ironically needed a bag for my room, this came at a good time. So, because I have a bag full already right here next to me. Trash bag. Alrighty, so the next item I am going to pull out is same thing, but the scent is Mountain Air. So, let's see. Oh, that does smell good, too. Alright, so that's that. Alright, let's see. The next item I am pulling out is, let's see, here, I don't feel like ripping open, so, handy pair of scissors. I can do it like this. Alright, so switch over this bag. Alright, so this is the next Care Max Hold waterproof band-aids. And there's also like a coupon on the back, which I like. Alrighty, so that would be good for me to use the next time I need to go get Band-Aids. This coupon expires next year. So I'm sure that I will be needing more Band-Aids by this time. By the, January, February, March, April, May, June 30th of next year. And so it comes with 1 Band-Aid. When I need it, I will use it. Alrighty, and the next item I am pulling out is BioClarity Sun Filter. Protects a protection that does everything under the sun. And it is SPF 30. And it's clean screen for face. Natural mineral sunscreen broad spectrum. So yeah, it's like I will use that next time I'm out in the sun for a while. Alright. Which I can add that to my skincare box, which I have up there. That very last box that I'm pointing to. Yeah. That one right there. I will add it to that. Alrighty. So, and the last product that I have, and the reason why I took a shower, besides that, not because I just needed one, I actually did need one, and this next product is Moroccan Oil All-in-One Leave-In Conditioner, Revitalizing, let's see here, I can't pronounce some of those words, because it's in another language I can't speak. Alrighty, so it's for all hair types, and it has hydrate. I guess it'll hydrate my hair. Alrighty, so. Alrighty, let's see. To use. Spray throughout clean, towel-dried hair. Comb through and style as usual. Which, I just don't style my hair. I just, like, brush it. And then I'll show y'all after I spray my hair. Okay, go ahead and put that there. Let's see. Whoa, sprayed some out. Don't know where that landed. Alrighty, so let's see here. Yeah, this is basically how I like brush my hair, but for this I'm gonna like brush it through. It smells a bit lemony, I think. Yeah. Alright, just like trying to brush it through this way. Let's see, try to brush it in that way. Yeah, this is not normally how I brush my hair. Just I'm trying to work the product in. Alrighty. Let's see if I can try it this way. Alrighty. Alrighty. Alright, so this is like the way I normally brush my hair, which is this way. I don't know, my mom had it like parted like right here in the middle, like she had her hair, which was like literally like right in the middle and down this way. But I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. Because it's like once I got to the point where she would let me brush my own hair, I just went this way. I went this way with it. Alrighty, so. Alrighty. I might also do like a second video to where I kind of like attempt my makeup or something. Alrighty, so. Alrighty. Alrighty. Alright. Okay. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so my brother just called me Ginny from NCIS. Alright, so this is how my hair is now. Alright, I might wash it out later. Alright, so, I'm gonna be watching The Masked Singer later. Sorry for the rumbling video wrapper going. Alright, so I'm gonna be watching The Masked Singer later. And let's see, I have written down my guesses. on who I think is in each costume that they've shown so far. I'm not in college, but I still need a notebook, so I got this notebook from Dollar General, and this pen from Dollar General too. Alright, so all of what they've aired so far, I'm trying to get the, seems like once I've written on another page, on the other side of the page. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I have my guesses for everybody, and who I think is in each costume, including the ones that was already voted off with the 2 costumes that were voted off, or the 2 masks. Alright, so, Group A, I have written down my guesses, which, for the Sun, I think it could be Demi Lovato, Miley Cyrus, or LeAnn Rimes. For the Giraffe, I have Vanilla Ice, Snoop Dogg, Garth Brooks, Vin Diesel. He has a single out. I'll link it down there in the description. I'll link the Spotify, I'll have the Spotify link to his song down there in the description. For the, I also have Richard Simmons as a guest for the draft. I don't know why. I don't know why I wrote down Richard Simmons. I just, all of a sudden, just, poof, he came into my mind. And for popcorn, I have Bjork and Tina Turner written down for popcorn. And for the Snow Owls, I have Vince Gill and Amy Grant. I know I put Garth Brooks already, but Garth Brooks and Trisha Yearwood, Tim McGraw, and Faith Hill. Those are my guesses for the Snow Owls. Alright, now for who they put. Now, I know I skipped over one mask, which is mask that was voted off. Which is, my guesses were The Rock and Michael Phelps. I was dead wrong. It was Busta Rhymes. Alright, so that is my guesses for Group A. Plus, that includes the dragon mask. Alright, so, what the heck? Thought something fell. Alright, so, Group B, Crocodile, I have McCulkin, the guy that played Kevin on Home Alone, and Sam Smith for the Crocodile. For the Baby Owl, I have the Baby Alien. I have Jeff Dunham, Gabriel Iglesias, Ralph Macchio. He played on The Karate Kid and The Outsiders. And Freddie Prinze Jr. I can kind of see Freddie. He's on Scooby-Doo. And the whatchamacallit mask, I have Tyler, the Creator. That one kind of just stumped me, so I went with one guess from the judges. The Serpent, for the Serpent mask, I have John Legend and Leslie Odom Jr. Again, that one kind of stumped me too. So I went with a couple of guesses that the judges had. And I know I said, alright, so for one of my guesses for the Seahorse, I know I said the same thing for popcorn, but they both kind of sound alike. I think so. For the Seahorse, I put Halsey, or however you pronounce her name, Bjork and Lady Gaga. I know I put Bjork for popcorn. Alright, and for Gremlin, I was dead wrong on the Gremlin. I had Jerry Lee Lewis and Sylvester Stallone, which I was wrong, dead wrong. I did not guess right. This is the twist that they had, and the Gremlin was an Oscar winner, and it was the Gremlin was Mickey Rourke. I was dead wrong. As I said, my 2 guesses were Jerry Lee Lewis and Sylvester Stallone. So, they haven't aired Group C yet. And I think tonight is either Group B or Group A. And I think they're going to introduce Group C after the World Series is over. So, which I have I have already, written down the costumes, the masks. I have Squiggly, in Group C, it's Squiggly Monster, Broccoli, Mushroom, Jellyfish, and Lips. I already have that written down, so that's all my guesses so far, and I have Group C ready for me to write down my guesses. So I think that's going to be about it for that. I'm going to be going to my friend's house next door, so that I don't have to go back and forth between my friend Michelle, who lives in up north, and go back and forth between next door and my friend Michelle. So yeah, there's that. I think that might be about it for this video. Let me know what y'all think about my guesses and what your opinions are down there in the description. I will have a link for pinchme down there in the description. So yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. So yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. Bye, y'all.